Apaan tuh bang?
Wih anak coach.
Mana put Malik.
Hello, my room's so hot I pulled an AC out of the basement, plugged it in, and now my eyes are itchy. I'm sure that's fine. Alright, so in today's tutorial, we're gonna need to make the screen black. Let's make a few cameras. Which directions? Turn off. Now comes the fun part. Inside of the cutscene UI, just add a local script, name it space.cameras. Now we need to add the actual two things are black, so the camera like pops up instead of just being. Won't really dive into it too much, so we'll just do 3 seconds. That's how long we want to take. We want the we want the easing style to be cubic, so we'll do enum.easing style.cubic, and then we want the easing direction to be out, so we'll do enum.easing direction.out. And don't forget to add little commas, otherwise.
Halo.
Bener memang.
Oh.
Bener memang. Dia bener memang. Akhirnya kawan.
Sama-sama lagi pertanyaan.
We'll want no repeats, so we'll put 0, false for reverses, we don't want those, and we don't want any delay, so we'll put 0.
Bang Azam.
Now we have our tuning info. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna set the camera to be scriptable. So we'll do
Ni konten kayak ada lunak kan. Kalau udah sadar.
Di, kita buka Steam.
camera
Gambar apa, Bang?
camera type equals enum.camera type. That's scriptable. You have to do that before editing the camera, otherwise it will immediately snap back to the player's head the second the animation completes.
Lama sekali. Itu malingnya.
Let's enable the black frame, so we'll do black frame.visible equals true. And let's set the camera's C frame to be the one on the floor. So we'll do camera.C frame equals cam folder.cam1. That's C frame. Almost forgot the C frame. I want it to wait like 5 seconds before the animation plays. So we'll do task.wait 5. And now let's create a few tweens. So we'll do tween service create, black frame, tween info, and our curly brackets. We'll do black frame. Oh, no, not black frame. We'll do background God. Transparency equals 1. Then we'll do play. Being copy this, paste it underneath. And instead of this one, we can do camera. Tween info, we'll keep that the same. And instead of changing the background transparency to 1, we'll do keyframe equals cam folder.cam2.cframe. Now all we have to do is make the
Kita kasih aja link YouTube. Iya. Kita kasih aja link YouTube. 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 Kita kas
Bener mo ulit. Balik. Padang ah.
Regawa. Lebih dulu nya atau bagi saya pada bangan.
Hindi mo ulit. Ba't tayo bang nilasiga na?
Enggak loh. Nah, cuma pakai kalit sejak abang baru mulai main ML.
Terus becek tu. Oh, mantap. Ambil ulang ni kau. Kami kencang orang lain. Ano ka bro, kata.
X ゲートの術で勇者に召喚しようとしたら世が現れた。
Weh, gila
The button
lah.
appeared. So I want the button to take.
Ngelek.
100年後だって。
Ngelek. Nonton di lah. Ngelek bang, penting ngelek salah. Bang saya kenapa?
Om.
Abang pakai, abang beli paket je. Ayo dia bilang. Cari orang kak.
Keyframe equals cam full t equals 1. Then service create black frame, clean info, and our curly brackets. We'll do black frame. Oh no, not black frame. We'll do background frames.
Bawang.
今はこの世界を目で
Kan kalau jalan cak pak lari sama Reka sama.
Parent. God. Trans-
Reka cewek nak Reka. Oh, Reka cewek nak. Yang tak nak.
Transparency equals 1.
Barang pek isi orang tu ah. Dia ni cak. Baca dulu ya. Ini sampai cak. Weh, ngelak je lah. Tu dia.
We'll do pull and play. Being copy this, paste it,
Abang nak ngelek no?
Hai, mau ampun bang.
and instead of this one, we can do
Kalian pernah lihat apa nak? Gatot jungle.
clean info. We'll keep that the same. And instead of changing the background transparency to 1, we'll do
Gatot jungle.
keyframe equals
Dia apa bang kata ini situ maka kata ganggal kan. Itu lah.
Dulu bang kira gatot ko burik gara dipakai pan bang ta. Udah
Cam
lama saya.
folder.
Aku nak ni abang balik gatot.
cam 2.
Itu haram apa?
Lupa haram.
Reka, tenang sama Reka.
That's keyframe.
Weh, hop.
Now all I have to do is make the button appear. So I want the button to take like a second longer to appear than everything else. So I'll do test wait 1. And above that, I'm gonna do button.visible equals true. Now we just need to make text transparency 0 so it appears. So we'll do teens. Oh, actually, let's make sure it's already on 0. So click your text button and scroll down to teens. Oh, actually, let's make sure it's already on 0. So click your text here. So we'll do
Mantap, 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 mantap. Mantap. Wah. Mantap, mantap, mantap. Double kill.
国が万有を吸収合併できるというものだ。もう一つの目玉がノベルシステム。プレイヤーのゲーム内での行動が採用されると、ものが公式のしにくく俺はルパスを機械に鍛え続けた。レベルを上げ、課金し、常にトッププレイヤーの位置をキープ。そして、
teens. Oh, actually, let's make sure it's already on 0. So click your text button and scroll down and make sure text transparency is set to 1, I mean, not 0. So if it's like this, put it to this. Setting it to 1 will make it invisible. Now I did this off screen. But if you go into your button, make sure text stroke transparency is 0. Alright, above the task.weight 1, let's do button.visible equals true. And underneath that, after our 1 second wait, we're going to do teensers create button clean info.
No, mahirap ada serius. Tengah. Wah, no. Mahirap ada. The slow sih.
Our curly brackets, and we'll do text transparency equals 0, or we play. So we press play and we test it. We should get a pretty smooth fade.
Tidak hanya melindungi, kami juga senang bisa membantumu.
Nyut nyut, cobain pakai Sensodyne dan ternyata hasilnya wow.
Doesn't look half bad. Let's just make it so the button works now. So we'll just do button dot mouse button 1 click connect function, and we'll do button dot visible equals false, and we'll do camera dot camera type equals enum dot camera type dot custom, and it's that easy. So if we go into the game, we'll get our little like cutscene. And when we press play, we can play mouse create button clean info, our curly brackets, and we'll do text transparency equals 0, or we play. So we press play and we test it. We should get a pretty smooth fade. Doesn't look half bad. Let's just make
Terima.
俺を待っていた。世界がゲームの中でも
make it so the button works now. So we'll just do button dot mouse button 1 click connect function, and we'll do button dot visible equals false, and we'll do camera dot camera type equals enum dot camera type dot custom, and it's that easy.
Skill level. Bukan skill dah budak ladang mah. Belajar kira. Gaya hijau bisa. Fly. Mana. Terus mana mana. Semua tu dah. Biasa lah di bulan 2. Lepas tidur. Tidur dulu kadang. Iya. Bobong sikit gua berada. Ini sih boleh dikri. Wait, itu sama. Ini kerja.
So if we go into the game, we'll get our little like cutscene. And when we press play, we can play the game. It shows a cool little animation, and then there's a play button. So let's get into that. So first, I want it to fade in from black, so we're gonna need to make the screen black. So inside of Star GUI, just add a screen GUI. We're gonna name that cutscene UI, and inside of that, we're gonna add a function and now, all right, let's set current camera name. Now comes the fun part. Inside of the cutscene UI, just add a local script.
Uy, mali. Mana habis tadi?
Name it cutscene handler. All right, let's add a few variables. Let's do local tween service equals game get service tween service. So we're gonna need the smoothly animate things. Let's also get the cam folder. So we'll do local cam folder equals so it's game.workspace.cameras. We'll do local just being a last tutorial. We will the players and our curly brackets being top. So I'll do 10. Now I did this off screen, but if you go into your button, make sure text stroke transparency is 0.
Wala ka dyan, wala. Kiran mo!
Alright, above the task.wait 1, off screen, but if you go into your button, make sure text stroke transparency is 0. Alright, above the task.
Oh man.
Wait, ala. Mga wala ay. Siya daw, pino daw. Wala ka pala si Wala. Eden, may mali may kailangan yun. Ha? Eden,
Task.wait 1, let's do button.visible equals true. And underneath that, after our 1 second wait, we're going to do teen service create button, clean info, our curly brackets, and we'll do text.
Rupa kawanan je. Sri malam je, apa yang sekarang kawanan? Pas main terakhir pun. Ini tak kau sebut Alice ya. Kau sebut orang mana je? Dia mana? Sebut orang ni.
Transparency equals 0 or we play. So if we press play and we test it, we should get a pretty smooth fade. Doesn't look half bad. Let's just make it so the button works now. So we'll just do button dot mouse button 1 click connect function, and we'll do button dot visible equals false, and we'll do camera dot camera type equals enum dot camera type dot custom, and it's that easy. So if we go into the game, we'll get our little like cutscene. And when we press play, we can play the game. So yeah,
Wait,
it's a pretty simple tutorial on how to do an intro cutscene. There's a lot you can do with it. So like if you wanted to add another camera, like you could duplicate cam 2. We'll just move it over to the right. And we'll just name it cam 3. So if you wanted to have it zoom around me for some reason, you could do that. So right here you see how it says it's a camera 2. Instead of making the button visible there, we can just do test out 3. We can paste that code again, and instead of camera 2, we'll set it to camera 3. And we can add like another passed out wait. So we'll do 2 seconds, and then the button will appear. So we have like this janky cutscene. So when the camera pans up, it will for some reason go to the right, and then, I don't know, it will say play. This is really janky, but you can customize it to your liking, make your own cutscene. I highly doubt you're gonna have just a model of me, and the camera's gonna be circling that. Unless I'm wrong, there might be somebody out there who'll do it. But yeah, we press play, we're in. So it's as easy as that. I hope my tutorial was useful. Have a good day.
Ini lah kok. Tuh kata expert bang ah. Boleh ah.
Yo, betul tak ipera? Ya. Oh. Ah.
Nak ke mana? Kemudian bed. Kemudian ada lebih bang. Ya. Orang mula tinggal. Makin apa dan mereka kalian tu darah. Jadi tak banyak tu. Jauh ke ni kok nanti apa dia apa? Nak balik dah. Nak balik ya mai. Nak lah ni pantek. Tukar nus. Boleh mau menit tu. Boleh lebih boleh.
Mengadil. Ini saatnya nih.
Oh, speaker merah. Boleh speaker very Mana ni speaker? Dua orang aja. Alah jangan dikis.
Penyetik pit ya.
Speaker mana?
Apa? Execute.
Sudah dah bang.
Pai mampus turun aja beko kan itu. Si.
Woi, pantang.
On point mana dia?
Apa dia?
If you want to learn how to make custom movement animations in Roblox, make sure to stay until the end of the video to find out. Okay, so first thing you want to do is get yourself some animations. I will just use the ones from the toolbox, so this tutorial isn't too long. And now go to the avatar, click animation editor, click on this, and if you get something like this, just select migrate for all of these, and then click OK. And then here
Ayun lang, ito lang, kailangan. No, do see, pwede yun. Ang tawag na rin. Valentino. Mare! Dapat Valentino ko. Yang penting fokus ninyo, hanya ninyo yang ada. Habis na bang pa? Ano ba na?
This one has a lot of animations, so let's just select my avatar, click animation editor.
Benda. Benda lah. Mantap. Mantap lah dia.
Click on this, and if you get something like this, just select migrate for all of these, and then click OK. And then here, this one has a lot of animation. The avatar, click animation editor, click on this, and if you get something like this, just select.
Tolong! 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 Kemudian! Naman dia udah. Jadi dia. Yang ada orang balik dia bang. Bayar ini kan? Bayar bagi tim.
Bayar bagi tim.
Ya, tapi kira-kira lah. Kecil lah ya. Mati mah. Apa ya? Pengelek deh. Ah, tidak. Dari tengah. Saya yang ada di tengah. Bali, buat apa kan? Awak dah yang tunduk. Mati go. Anda kopi. Kita kopi. Kita kopi mana? Oh. Ikut dia.
Batu Dil. Semangat Dil.
Lama tu sudah sampai mah.
Halo. Mau orang ko.
Mako, asyik ngecek seorang saya tadi mah.
Malik is back. Wow, Skapiki muncul di sini.
Bomba biruan itu dong benar. Bomba biruan tepek dah.
Hijau. Skapiki hijau.
Dok.
Malik lanjut buat jalan, Mang.
Okey.
Bunda. Nanti bang.
Lanjut.
Kamu bisa gerak toh? Lah bang ni. Balik kakak tadi. Bang kalau ni bahasa bang dia. Kita nak wayo bang.
Tu sorry mah.
Allah tadi.
Mama sih tu kan.
Kau udah gusi di doa. Kamu akan bikin doktor. Menjadi doktor tu. Bang ni step boleh berang.
Ini gedung oh ala dari situ rupanya. Putar map.
Sialah apa ni gua. Main apa? Gua dia sikit bang. Mana? Ada sedikit game pasti. Di dalam sama bang. Jangan entah mau jangan. Kira. Kalian ada.
Select migrate for all of these, and then click OK. And then here, this one has a lot of animations, so let's take, I don't know, walk 2. So as you can see, this is a walking animation, it's looped, and I think priority is okay. Priority is action, which is And if you're creating an animation for the group, then it needs to be able to go inside of the game. And once you're inside, go to the workspace, go to
Oh,
your
bisa
character,
gitu
and find this
buatnya.
local script called animate. And now copy that, and then exit the game. And now you want to put it into starter character scripts.
Serius Fanny kita.
So pay now that we've the groups if you want, or you can just put and then click OK. And then here, this one has a lot of animations, so let's take, I don't know, walk 2. So as you can
Mereka dah Korea, senang kir, putih, cek, pandang merah. Kira yang bulu sebagai orang di kawangan itu. Gas deh. Ya, aku terkata. Tadi ada kontak. Aduh, aku terkata mah. Fanny dan dia 30 nanti 35 lah.
Batu merah lantainya. Fanny makin liat game makin gak berasa lah. Orang lo buat mor.
Jadi ini 30 ya. Itu aja foto ah.
Jadi. Ntar nih tanah merah apa dibuat nih?
Pak kan baru permulannya.
Oh.
Semangat gede. Oke man. Oh bukan akhir. Empat.
Nih, mamburik Moskwa.
Ana mau sih. Uis.
You can see this is a walking animation, it's looped, and I think priority is okay. Priority is action, which is okay, I guess. We can then publish it, and you can select some of the publish it, and you can select publish it, and you can
Menguit ke rumah bas? Kau berjalan. Kau main dengan luar aja. Ini 35 di game diam. 35 semua bagus. Alah. Wah. Dang dia bagaimana? Fit dong tadi. Fit kau udah poin ni. Ini tu tengah. Sendiri kau. Ini dia nak panjang. Baru mana ya nari? Kita. Ini kan baru. Bolong isok. Defense dulu sawar minion dulu. Minion dulu deh. Allah. Jangan tu awal dia. Oh, pakai dulu. Bos. Mana skon? Oi, pakai.
Lawaknya lagi.
Minion ada. Minion ada.
select some of the groups if you want.
Kalian mangga, weh.
Belum. Nenek malu. Itu ikan bencana aja. Panen ni bencana. Panen dipit. Mana kaki kun keteonya ada. Kita gelo.
Penyakit. Mangga kalian ya. Hati-hatilah.
Bagaimana? Coklat tu bebas loh. Bang, jadi apa nih deh bro? Kita pantang menyerah. Aduh, pandi mana bisa di up.
Or you can just put me. And if you're creating an animation for the group, then it needs to be a group, and if you put me, it doesn't work. So now that we've copied that, we actually need to go inside of the game. And once you're inside, go to the workspace, go to your character, and find this local script called anime. And now copy that, then exit the game.
Bang Azam,
Hah.
gimana cara buatnya agak miring nih
And
bang?
now you want to
Lurus kali ta? Udah diarahin kepala nih, nak mau dia miring gini dong.
Nih, yang mana nih?
Nih lagi bikin aspal lah.
Di mana tuh? Jauhnya.
Bikin jalan.
Coba lah turunin itu ya.
Apa yang turunin?
Tinggi bloknya, tinggi bloknya.
Turunin kemana nih?
Kan itu,
Ntar nggak terdengar suara bang tuh bang.
itu kan di draw kan, di draw kan.
Iya. Ini udah Malik ubah jadi transform nih.
Iya, transform, transform.
Iya.
Nah,
Woi. Sabo bentar aku mah. Wah. Ndak aku tidak.
Cara buat jalan yang bergelombang gimana bang?
Wah.
iya di scope lah.
Itu bang lek. Mau dia, kita sambung.
Ini kan. Ini kan. Ha.
Saya Abdul lagi kurang. Mana? Itu sih pendai. Ayo, kurang. Ada ya. Pedrin.
Aduh.
Duduk Pedrin.
Udah gelombangnya kan. Nggak. Itu ah. Di substrak kalau mau.
Gelombang itu apa itu? Bang ini nggak bisa apa dong? Lebih detail
Orang sumpah.
derajatnya.
Apa hal kau
Ini
buat ini?
mutarnya bentuk 0, 45, 90,
jaga bagi kita lah.
35.
Itu.
Lu apa jaga
Itu
gitu?
kan ada mah di samping geometri kan ada itu ya. Berapa batas itu ya skalanya.
Oh gitu.
Skalanya dulu. Kan satu start satu itu 30 derajat satu. Nah, itu tuh
Iya.
untuk skalanya teman.
Ya.
Macam tuh.
Maksud.
Apa nih ya?
20 ya.
Ih,
Mana mas?
Belum.
panjang. Belum tahu.
Itu lagi jadi.
Full story.
Game apa bang? Game baru bang?
Sedang membuat map.
Map bang? Map apa sih ya? Kau map apa bang?
Tamiriang tah padil ko. Map unan.
Komo banget mah. Komo banget kamu nih bang.
Nak buat macam mana kapten? Di tabau emak ko ba menggadangannya ko. Tadi bisa. Iya harus tuh ke ujung tuh Mahiri.
Jangan pilih info bang.
Bang di sini nggak bisa sprint bang.
Sprint.
Itu banget milih bang Walik.
Sprint.
Golak ya.
Sprint apa?
Itulah kalau itu
Biar cepat gerakannya, lambat kali.
Ya scroll lah, scroll. Nge-scroll mempercepat.
makin membaras makan. Dalam makan pisang 3 biji waktunya senang dan
To put it into starter character scripts, so paste it and then copy that and then exit the game, and now you want to put it into starter character scripts.
My work is easy because I use ClickUp. Here's how I keep track of all my tasks. I start by brain dumping everything I need to get done in a list view.
Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to add custom walk and run. So after you've run a script called animate inside, so what you want to do is you want to copy that script. So we're going to right click and click copy. Now you can stop running the game.
Lah apa? Saya nak bawa. Tak boleh dalam mesti.
Oh.
Sat mereka jangan. Bokong ni. Move.
So after you've run the game, go inside your character that's found inside the workspace. Now open up that little drop down menu on the side over here. Now you can see a local script called animate inside. So what you want to do is you want to copy that script. So we're going to right click and click copy. Now you can stop running the game. Now what you want to do is you want to paste that script. Now you can stop running the game. Now what you want to do is you want to
Lamun guys ko. Alah, pesta ni doa.
paste that script by doing Control V. So now you have this animate script in the workspace over here. So what you want to do is you want to move it to starter character scripts. So it's found under starter player. So starter character scripts is inside starter player. So you want to move the animate script inside. Now when you look inside this animate script, you can see a bunch of values inside.
Sir manduruyan.
Yaudah lah. Gue bilang kalau lagi juga bang, nggak tahu bang. Kalau jangan gitu,
All these values inside represent the different emotes a player can have. So you have the fall, idle, jump, laugh, point, run, sit, swim animations all inside here. If you open up the run value, for example, you can see an animation that's stored inside. So what we're going to do now is we're going to create an animation and
Kasi na wala eh. Tidak sinasum. Mahirap. Oo, tapos. Hindi ko please. Ini anak na. Ini anak. Itu lagi na. Mom, ano yan may mga gala?
Hindi apa ni.
Alam.
Astagfirullah, nih anak ngapain cuy?
Dia kurang nih. Ya. Wah. Ya. Orang. Wah. Mana bagus tu. Enggak itu sendiri yang ada kalau pasang di rumah. Itu tadi saya nanti ini. Pero mga idea si Banggo isang tigil.
Sumpah lah. Slik, kasihlah motivasi lah.
Saya sudah mencet motivasi apa pula lagi tuh. Allahu Akbar. Kayak
Lagi ya.
Ini berkucing.
Anjir, aku udah dos raju.
Sumpah kalau di kos ini mana niat bikin video, sumpah lah.
Nih, kumuah tuh.
Lek, kadang lek.
Kanan ada pijak daripada
Top lu nyampain cek.
Guys, kalian lanjutlah modeling ya, abang lanjutin cerita aja lah dulu.
Oke.